What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing 3 new cars. We'll unbox DeLorean Alpha 5, the 1973 Jeep J10, and the Corvette Stingray. By the way, these cars right here are some recent cars that I unboxed and reviewed, such as Cruise Cruiser and Snowstormer or Alpine A110. So yeah, honorable mention goes to Hot Wheels Poppa Wheelie. My brother unboxed it off screen, so here's the artwork. He's from the Hot Wheels Drag Strip series. He's number 8 out of 10. Here's the car. A really awkward car. We got the green Hot Wheels logo, blue and green stripes, all the way to the front fender, which is not a fender, instead it's an eye. Small wheel. Front lights with the grille, blue stripes on the top and green stripes on the hood. Same thing on the other side. Shiny blue rims for the tires, but not the back wheels. They are plain classic wheels. Okay, on to the next car. Bam! Here's the artwork. It's from the Hot Wheels Green Speed series. He's number 7 out of 10. Really nice car. This right here, broken packaging. I hate that. So let's unbox this. Come on! Ooh, jeez. This is a really nice car. Now to compare it, we've got the Twin Mill Gen E. Both look really similar. Let's start with this car. DeLorean on the front. A futuristic car, by the way. Gray rims. Oranges or brownish color. It's got that DeLorean text on the back. I don't know if you can see it. There. Side view mirrors. Really nice. Let's compare it to this Alpine. Very similar to shape. Alright, awesome. Now, the next car we're going to do is the 1973 Jeep J10. Here it is. It's from the Hot Wheels Hot Truck series. It's number 4 out of 10. I just noticed this, by the way. I think this is the old packaging, because you look at the top, it doesn't have that new bright thing, new shine. I think that's the old packaging. Okay, that's the artwork. Now let's unbox it. Jeez, right away, it feels very, very big. Just from the blister. Oh god. Weird shape. Oh god. Like, the size of this car is just like minimum. But how the packaging, oh, it's very, very big. Erased plastic, Mattel. Here it is. K3N, maybe that says Ken, maybe. Same thing on the side, with orange and red stripes along the side. We've got the Jeep logo, 2 spare tires, there's some details inside. Gray rims, nice heavy duty tires. Wow. To compare it, we have the Teal, which I haven't reviewed yet, but I will review this in a future episode. Just based off of it. But they look pretty similar, but this is a Jeep, and this is like a rally car-ish. Yeah. A spare tire. This is 2 spare tires. Alright, next one is the Corvette Stingray. It's from the Hot Wheels Dream Garage series. It's number 5 out of 5. Nice red color. By the way, there's the artwork. Nice artwork there. Okay. Ooh. Plasticky feel to it. This is like a cheap toy, by the way. Looks like a cheap toy. But anyways, the lights aren't painted. They aren't painted in. Oh, what? The packaging. Oh, that's the outlines. Okay, good. Now here's the golden stripe with a white stripe on the middle. Same thing, gold stripe and white stripes. The golden Hot Wheels logo. Same thing on the other side with the Corvette logo. Oh damn, the other side also has it. It also has it. To compare it, let's compare it to this 2019 Chevrolet Corvette. This is old gen and this is next gen. Like, wow, the evolution is just so nice. Here's the base. Also, I want to compare it to this Fast Furion right here, since they are both similar frame. Same thing happens to the Twin Mill Gen E. Like, you can actually fit this. Boom. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Here are the cars that we reviewed today. Oh god, let me show you this. So, thank you guys so much for watching. And now I will see you next time. Thank you so much for the 30 subscribers. It's currently midnight. So, yeah. This is a thank you for you all. So, see ya.